Here I have HUAWEI Ascend G620s, and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the settings right here. From the All tab, let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose About Phone. Afterwards, let's scroll down again to find the build number. Let's tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see, you are now a developer. So let's go back by using the back key, and here let's tap developer options. Here you can use all the features from the following list. For example, you can enable USB debugging, tap OK to confirm it. You just allow USB debugging. You can also allow mock location, for example, or enable, for example, pointer location. Here we've got other developer features. If you would like to go back, let's use the back key, and now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.